Hello everyone, in this video we will create an app using Google Gemini. Completely we will use Google Gemini only and generate some fun app. Okay. So what is the fun app idea? This basically your if I take your date of birth till now, how many years, months and days, and currently how your okay, I'll show you to you my visualization on the app only. It is basically a age calculator, a simply age calculator, but in a different way. I wanted to paste this one, use CSS theme, give me separately. Okay, now we are running in a fresh chart. Now if you see, now you see how it will be. So if you don't want to like use a code, if the complete the imagination is going wrong, then you have to chart, give a new chart on it. Okay, so the first one is Flask application. This we have to copy, and app.py we have to paste it. Done, this is done. And next one is templates, in templates html, index.html. This preview is showing here. Let's see the preview. Okay, it is fine. Yeah, this is how it has to be. Just copy this code, save it and close this window. The HTML. What is this one? In templates, death calendar.html. In templates, we have to add one more thing, is death calendar.html. Oh my goodness! To copy this one, paste it in death calendar. Okay, that's it. Only these three things are there. Static is not required now. Now I will open this one. Where is this one? Yes, it's asking my name, date of birth, time I don't have. See, it is showing hello Vamshi, you have been alive for approximately, because we don't have time, right? That's why. So 29 years, 11 months, 10 days. No, it's not my real one. It's the real one. Let's see. It's 30 years, 11 months, 10 days, and 13 hours, 25 minutes, and 9 seconds. It's now it is 26 minutes. That's grand of 11,302 days, and the total hours is 2,71,000 hours, and the minutes is, you have to count it, and the totals also I cannot count. Your daily horoscope, Leo, could not fetch horoscope, please try again. Okay, this we did not set up the API, that's why. Now day to see your death, it's a funny one. Okay, now we move to death calendar. Oh, the final countdown. Prepare yourself, Vamshi. Based on Leo horoscope, our highly scientific and totally made up algorithms, your humus expiration date is predicted to be 2085, 7 and 27 at 6:50. Oh, it is showing the time also. The time left until 60 years, 0 months, 19 days, 2 hours, 30 minutes, 2 seconds. Now it is going to be 29. Yeah, this is just a fun. Okay, we have to keep some intense backgrounds also. So I'll go back to my life. Okay, so here we have to give the calm background. So this is what I expected. So as per expectation only it came. It is really good. So within within few minutes it has completed, within few seconds I should say. Now if you go to app.py, go top. Okay, this is fine. Okay, key points for Gemini API in index.html. Go to index.html. Okay, so what it is telling, right? This one, find this. Yeah, this one is empty, so here you have to give the Gemini API key. So go to your Gemini and give your key. So I don't want to show it here. So if you give, you'll get some better results, means you will get that horoscope and all. Okay, so where you have to give, that I have showed you. So here you have to give the API. Okay, I'll give some other name. So it is showing how many years and all. This also it is not fetching. Once you give API key, then it will fetch. So death, yeah, this is how it is. So I'll push the this code to Git. You can download it from there and you can make some changes. I'll give the prompt also in that by giving I'll give the prompt in the link itself. So you can open that link, there you will find the prompt, and from there only you can download the source code and you can make some changes in this, and you can ping me back. I'll see your video, and or else I'll see your project. Let's see how it will be. And yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you, have a great day.